量和高度。今天可能用到这些，不用，决定用它。用这一块布，还能透出一点下面的白色。就这块羊毛毡有点太厚重，
有一种一坨的感觉。
觉得还是用这一块，这一层就好了，不然2层类似就看上去太过密集。满意。
终于下了。
那就等宝宝了。She was very sensitive. Not every child was like that. Some babies are like whatever. Once I put the baby down, if she cries, I rock the basket and I could also give her a pad. With the entire setup of this one, as you can see, the backdrop is a floral kind of design. It's hand painted. The flowers are quite big. I don't want to get the flowers to be too distractive. The distance between the background and the baby is so that I can blur out the background. If we raise the baby high up to be able to shoot as much background as possible.